will help you achieve your goals is the training and knowledge, not any other force. So those are the words of a political commissar. Ukuthi empini akula madlozi, akula prophet, akula miracle. It is your knowledge and your training that helps you achieve your goals.
Correct.
In this case, it is the military goals. So today in the program, I'm talking to Ruben Avon Ngwenya. He was a political commissar, and we'll be talking about materialism and idealism and all those kind of things. Baba Ngwenya, welcome to the program.
Siyabonga baba Ndebele.
Yeah, for those who are watching the program for the first time, my name is Zenzele Ndebele, and this is the Zipra Liberation Archives. And please don't forget to go to our YouTube page. If you are already there, like, subscribe, and share. So we want to have as many people as possible. Please tell your friends to tell your friends. Baba Ngwenya, maybe to start with,
Okay. Ngibona ngishilo ukuthi uzami nguRuben Alvan Ngwenya. Ngizalelwe eLupane, eGomoza. Ngafunda eGomoza ngakhulela khona. That was 1954 mzalo. And then iGomoza iseduzane lePuphu eMangcwabeni lapho kwaphela khona impi kaLobhengula. Right, ngokunye kwangikhona kuyizinto kwangenza ngazizwa senginomfutho ukuthi ngiye egangeni. Kule bearing khona kuyindawo nalana ePuphu. Akholela kompana afunda kompana sasuka lapha ngaye eMachakayile. Nxa yokuthutha. Ngaya kwenza ngaqedisa standard 4, standard 6, standard 4, standard 5. That was 1964 to 66. And then I went to upper primary eLupaka, and then my secondary partly Fatima Mission. Then I was Buya, ahlala ekhaya. For information, I went to town Sengimdala Mbijana. That was 1973. It was 19 years. Qalisa ubuya edorobheni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you talk about the Funde Fatima, then briefly, then you left. Why did you leave?
No, kwaba I problem of fees. Ngehlula fees.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did my form 1 sengicina mphuma. But sengiqedile form 1 ngaphuma ngasabuyela form 2.
So sizodinga umsebenzi edorobheni.
Yeah, partly I went home ngahlala ekhaya Mbijana, and then ngazodinga umsebenzi edorobheni. That was 1973 because form 1 eFatima in 1971. So ngabuya 73 sengizodinga umsebenzi.
Usebenza ngaphi your first job?
First job ngasebenza endaweni ezimbili. Actually ngathi ngifika ngangena ku-Electrops construction. Sascape Mgelo, but it's nice to talk about it. Sascape Mgelo, uyabona eQueenspark East. Ngalo Queenspark East kule substation yezizesa. Sascape Mgelo ufaka ama-cables phansi. Now sithe sifika ku-main road airport saxotshwa. So uqhatshwa abanye abantu sokulo follow-man omutsha. Mina ngalo ukuxotshwa. Ngathi ngake ngixotshelwe ugebha phansi, I refused. Labanye abantu bengilandela ngemva amanye amajaha saxotshwanga. Ngasebenza akaze ngaphuma sesiyangena koPhuleni as a bus conductor. Wayengangena koPhuleni as a bus conductor, ifamily yonke yayivelise emabhasini.
Yeah.
uPhuleni nangikwakhe vele ngezindlela ngubaba omkhulu ngoba ukukhulu omncane wathatha last born koPhuleni, uPhuleni ethe first born, so kwakungekhaya. So obviously kwase kusisho ukuthi lambe bus conductor, ngase ngisiya bus conductor la kumalume ngikhonale.
So uyahamba endane eziningi lapho bus conductor.
Bus conductor ngasiya enkaya, actually ngasiya enkaya. Aqhaza ngeliwindi ngisiya enkaya, ngaqhashwa ngisenkayi, ngaya eGuduvudu sengiconductor, sengifuna iconductor, ngaya eMzola eDongamusi sengiconductor wamabhasi. But no, as I was saying ukuthi khona ingikhula laphana ipupu yayivele ile bearing.
Yeah.
So sihamba laphana amabhasi kwakusiba lama roadblocks. Kusiba lokusearch okuthile. Thina sasingasearch of course bus conductors. But influence lelana ukuthi uyasearchwa abanye abantu basempini omunye umuntu omnyama uyakusearcha konkona kwangikuhlulusa kakhulu.
So at what point do you say, no into lokho sengumzimpini mina?
Yabona ube sempini kuyathatha kwathatha isikhathi. It wasn't just khonapho. It had to develop. Maybe if I take you a little bit back, ilaba fowethu abanye ngakhula labo ekhaya sifunda. Abangu2 bafa bebancane kakhulu. Amajahalana. Bekhula nje kubani kasekho. Ngakabuyi ngo73 ngakabuyi etown ngizoduma umsebenzi. Now ngithe sokubuya isikhathi vele sokufuna ukuthi uhambe egangeni sasikhona. Thi nxa sengifuna ukubuya egangeni ngazozitshela ukuthi ubani swafa ngazibuza ukuthi but lami kuthi ngafa ngiku-age lencane but ukuthi ngive mphongo ukufa nje nxa yokugula no, I'd rather die ngikhulele ilizwe. Umbuze ngaba layo the other driving factor yangenza ngempini yaba yikuthi khona nxa ilizwe belokho besilwa abantu laba ngokuyavuka ekuseni lokho kuliwa kuka ilizwe likathathu ngase ngizibuza ukuthi inxa yabantu abasempini bangu9 ilizwe mele lithathwe ngabantu abangu10 powers 10 laws amele ilizwe lithathwe mbani. That was now the driving force. Ngaphuma ngahamba ngayigangeni sasuka sibathathu sesihamba empini via Botswana. That was Plumtree, Makorokoro, Selibe Peak, Botswana, Francistown, and then off to Zambia. By then, sasiba luchano ukuthi nxa ufike eBotswana womelela abantu.
Yeah.
Ngoba into ekayithola abantu ababengusiba ngu45. So ukuthi nxa lifika sasifika thina kulabantu isuka bekugcina, so it wait for the
abanye la
arrival up to 45. Yeah, but asange sihlale kakhulu, just a week base befikile abantu sasesikhamba sesiya eZambia.
So ufika khona ngale phela nxa use empini kule something engqondweni yakuyimagine
ngangimagine inkalakathe indawo yayinhle kakhulu lama light ehoteleni baba. To make matters worse, you were exposed to Ophikwe. Of course ePhikwe sathi sifika laphana safika safakwa ejele. Not ukuthi sibotshiwe, but it was a safe place. Ababe bithi bona unqesi igcine lapha sahlala esitokisini siza sokuba sahlala ejele for 3 days. Sasuka ke ejele sesiya eFrancistown. La it was a prison again, but it was a place ukuthi besigcine kuhle singaze sa capture singaze saba exposed. So nxa ususuke emalayithini lapha iBotswana iphansi usitshela ukuthi eZambia uzafica indawo yesabeka enhle kakhulu. Yothi uyafika khona ufica into sezitshintshile. Yeah, kwakutshintshile kakhulu. Sasisegangeni sifika eNampundu. By then eNampundu sifika laphana yayisanda ukusuka izandla. Kwakule watch ababezitshile companies zakulodaka kulayo isikhathi during the rain season eZambia izulu liyana. By that time ngoba sifika thina safika almost the time ulokhuzini engakafi uJZ ufa sesingikhona ngale, but singama rivals sesebatsha nje. Yeah, sifika ngikhona ngale. It was a welcoming environment in terms of military, in terms of war situation. Yes, welcome. Yeah.
So you trained for how long?
It was not a training camp.
Okay, it was just a transit camp.
It's a transit camp, yes, put it right. It was a transit camp. So ngoba sasifika la kuhamba kule group eyisanda ukusuka isiya eMembeshe. So we had to wait again for the other group again to come. Fortunately for us again, saba lenhlanhla ngoba nxa sesifikile laphana sacina sesijoyinwa igroup eManama. Ngoba igroup eManama yahlabuya khonapho. Asisahlalanga eNampundu. Sahle saya SCGT.
So trained at SP?
Yes, I'm trained to SP. I would say yes because it is said. But let me tell you one thing. Asazan, because there were 2 battalions. Battalion of 1,000 and 1,000. Nangangu battalion, 2nd battalion. yena ngikwazi ukuthi uyiphi battalion. And again sasigruphe ngama-age kulo company A yoba ambogijana company B obogijana company C usuyakuthi yiphi age company D mina ngikucompany D bese sibalo company E company E yayilabana abantu abangani sebebadala abangani bayagula but company C and D yayi-crack force angudimi.
So liyatraina ngaphi?
ICGT Zambia, Western border.
Yeah.
Ibhadala lapho satraina khona.
How long is the training?
6 months.
Injani awusitshela nge-training ukuthi yayinjani?
I-training njenge-training sengakutshela ngithi imnandi. But otherwise nxa ungena kiyo i-training nxa ufika khona into yokuqala nxa ungena ku-training uyi-recruit you are not given umbhobho. Umbhobho uyawubambi uyawubona uthola ngama-instructors. The first thing that you are introduced to is politics. Ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi why you are there. Why are you to undergo military training? And for whose purpose, whose aim, achievement, all those things. Right. Into engayithandayo khona phana ukuthi there's this politics andafuna ukuthi ngutshele yona because this is what we were told and this is what I was teaching. Lam ukuthi kona i-politics itself by defined as like a soldier without politics is like a gun without a bolt. Do you understand i-bolt le gun? Yazi umbhobho usebenza njani? I-bolt lokhana kuyikho okuthatha uhlamvu ulufake ku-firing chamber uphinde lukhiphe i-cartridge lufake okunye. So a soldier without politics is like a gun without that important component of a gun.
More like okuyikhoko.
More like okuyikhoko. So uyahlutshela khonokho. And nxa uyabe usunjalo nxa uyabe usufundiswa uyabe usukwazi ukuthi first is to understand i-politics why you are there. Because kwakudefine ukuthi khona umbhobho wona onikwayo asiso wakho. Umbhobho ngwezaphu, umbhobho ngwezakhamuzi. So you would not use umbhobho against izakhamuzi, no, against your comrade. So the gun was solely for the use against the enemy. But njengoba ngofisa ungasho ukuthi siyabulala amakhiwa. Sasiwachaya. The gun was for hitting, not for killing. In a way. You go training and of course it's just training nje kwakuya sense nje ukujudo other things like that. Kunzima, yes. It's not easy. Nxa useselula but awuthi ungeniswe ebunzimeni but indawo enhle kakhulu yena kumele.
So this is where you'll be saying it is your training and your
my
knowledge,
physical training.
Yeah, that will help you achieve your goals.
Yes, but now kunye ngikhona esasikufundiswa futhi laphana. Anti kule physical training.
Yeah.
Political orientation. Le intelligence also.
Yeah.
Sasifundiswa. Le first aid. Those, of course, movement, military tactics, you know, those were the main component, of course. But maybe was medical aid, kwenzela ukuthi nxa umunye ngalimala umuntu ngalimala likwanisa ukwelaphana lapho level khona. Secondly, intelligence also, because mind you, sasihamba singama recruits, among recruits kuyabe kule NM. It's not just humble, all of us were genuine soldiers or genuine recruits to join the war. So, but you may be able to analyze intelligently ukuthi umuntu lo kwenzakala ngendlela eyiyo yini kumbe kwenzakala ngendlela engayisiyo. Of course, politics was one of those things of us would understand.
Do you remember why I want to train up?
I remember Sibyl, unfortunately, the closest person to me, omunye wangikhona uBekates, uSiphambaniso. Angizwe ubuhlungu kakhulu. Nguye umuntu esahamba laye, mina ngahamba laye. Sahamba sibathathu thina. Mina, uSiphambaniso, lo Moses, sonke sukelubani. Sahamba ilokhuzeni. Moses, of course, departed in 2014. 04 wayesebenza ecounseling nawo phangisa ukuhamba umfowethu usiphambanisa uhambe kathesi kuhamba November ngasuka lapho siyambeka eBhinga so ingathi imesensela of course abakhona abanye abathile esatrainer lapho.
So liqedile training lapha, where do you go? Isiqedile na le
physical training.
Yeah.
Excuse. Sengiqedile physical training sesisiya ngabe manje. Excuse. Sesisiya we moved of course from where we were saya establishing ibase kwezindawo. Isebhesini ngezwe lami sengibizwa lami futhi. Kodwa still it was CGT. We moved kanje bona just imabhesi uyachiya uhlale ngokuphela ngoba iNM might have noni yaqeda ngawe ukuthi ungahlala kakhulu yakuchaya so sasuka sa kwezindawo then kwezindawo lapha ngagcina sensizwa ngomunye ongikhona obizwayo sasuka sengu10 sisiyakwenza sisiyalusaka siyakwenza ipolitical science eRussia. Of course among ama-political commissars engimaziyo sesele khathesi abanye ngikwazi ukuthi bangapha but okuseleyo khathesi ucommissara uJob ukhona was a teacher lapha lokhu Milton Junior Tesa ukhona kwamba koBulawayo so ngiyindoda esikhwesa osesekhona sengatrainer la ku-political science.
So the trainers khathi zinganani eRussia?
Russia, we were there in September up to March of 78.
How is life in Russia? Coming from Africa, Lupani, Susbona, Russia, Konagale. So injani impilo eRussia?
Impilo eRussia uyabona uyabufica into ezinye ezijene. That's why sasithi kuna ukuzichebo ziyachebana. Ukuzichebo ziyachebana because akula mpuphu akula kudla lokho akula nyawuthi kithe khasi idla nyawuthi akula ukudla kunjengakhona okane kwemakhaya into esiba khona phela ngirayisi ongaphosuthi isikhona labo macaroni but mind you by that time sisempini thina into enjengo macaroni it was not known spaghetti uyabazela ngapho spaghetti spaghetti ngaqasa ukuyibona mina ngisendegeni otherwise konke lokhu kwangento esesingayazi. Life was too advanced for us. It was very cold. Because afika ngesikhathi kusiwa snow but basinika iattire ekwanisayo ukuthi khona senelisa ukuphila. And again khona ngale eRussia besidinga iattire yana. Yabona abantu labana ngikwazi ukuthi babe khangela njani because sasihola 100 rubles. Sasingathengela ukudla babesinika 100 rubles eningi kakhulu ukudla kwangikhona imali yangikhona sisebenzisa usoluthi ngiyasathenga ama-TV sathenga ukudla okuthile sidlela nje
ama-TV lawo wasawabinali zempilo
sifuna ukubona phela nje sifuna ukubona
kodwa uchiya khona le Russia
qeda uchiya konke lemgani konke ukuthengele uchiya uyakusa I remember ngikhona ngale baphe sikhambisa sasikhamba ku-medical check-up ngahamba ku-medical check-up nangaze ngagcina ngidithenwa ngahlala almost about 2 weeks ngisesibhedlela ukuthi babebonena ngikwazi but babefuna ukunika ama-specs ngala ngathi no I'm sorry I cannot put you on specs ngisempinje agqoka ama-glass I will expose myself to the enemy but ngiqalise ukwagqoka semfikele lapha ekhaya ngo-86 ngiqasa ukugqoka ama-glass esekudimanda amehlo.
So you enjoy that life in Russia?
Yeah, we enjoyed that life. Maybe before we get to Russia, sasuka Zambia.
Yeah.
Ntena ngimlothisiwe lancho. Ibizo lami lempilo. But sasisuka ke manje sisi Russia we changed the names again.
Because of fulani ngoma yama passport.
Yes, anikho ama passport. Okwakho phela ukuthi uyabizwa uphela uthatha ipicture. Ucele ngoya wayekwenza khona ukusifa sicele was the personnel personnel ngiyasithatha ama-pictures wonke process wonke you are given a name so uyahlangana le passport yakho elebizo lakho elitsha. Then when I went there I was then named ADL Nehanda.
So la ngakhohlwa amabizo lawo ukuthi Ntombazana ngumbuthi Nehanda ngumbuthi Ngwenya
hayi uthi Ngwenya would not say that ukuthi ngibe nguRuben Ngwenya empini how lokhu uyakupanishelwa lokho
So vele awungaliqambi ibizo lakho.
Hayi ungaliqambi ibizo lakho because ubona ukuthi inkosi yakupanishelwa why ukupanishelwa ukuthi sasitshela ukuthi kuna when you are trained you were trained not to die.
Yeah.
You were trained to liberate the country.
Yeah.
To liberate the people of Zimbabwe. So it's like a training yethu. Right from military kusiya lapho kokusiwa khona sasi oriented ukuthi sikhulule ilizwe singafi.
Yeah.
Because ngokumele sikhulule abantu beZimbabwe. So ukuthi ngibe nguRuben ngale no i-enemies alandele bekwazi ukuthi nguRuben bisisenza lokho ekufunayo. Ikho kwakukhona.
Yeah. So the suke Russia lapha around 78.
Sesiqedile i-commissariat yes sasilama what maybe ngithi sesiRussia nje sasitraina group of 10 anjo but sasilamanye ama progressive organizations njengomkhonto wesizwe okhona iSWAPO yayikhona iPLO yayikhona understand PLO Palestine Liberation Organization yes ule lokhuzeni abe Yemen South Yemen so those were the organization esafika sahlangana lazo. But of course training sasike sihlukane inxa ukuthi abanye like abe PLO babekhuluma language engafana nile yethu so kwakusiba lama groups njengawona lawo sesisuka eRussia sabuye ekhaya that is ekhaya eZambia sasuka eRussia saya eBudapest indeke
eHungary.
Yeah. Safika sakwehla babesehla sisuka lapha eHungary kwase kuyithi sodwa a group of 10 right we went air for 9 hours sise Luanda sakwehle Luanda and then Luanda saya elokhuzene eZambia. Maybe of interest again for you ukuthi sesisuka eLusaka singathi seRussia sagada iplane ngayazuthi yangiyanga sakwehle eTanzania kumele siconnect i-Aeroflot to Moscow.
Yeah.
Sesifika elokhuzene eTanzania eDar es Salaam. Ubudlelwane leZapule eDar es Salaam kongamnandi. Safika sabotshwa.
Yeah.
We detained as illegal immigrants. So wabuye uAkim zama ukuzosithatha ukuthi asihambise.
So labo hlala for long.
Asahlala overnight.
Yeah.
But sibotshiwe.
Yeah.
So we detained. uAkim wazama ukuthi sithathe sihambise ku ZH Zimbabwe House eyayiseTanzania bala. Sasavuka the following day emini sesisuka ngeAeroflot. Sesiye Moscow then but we two sasihamba kwakumnandi sisuke eDar es Salaam sehle elokhuzene eNairobi sibona okwenzakalayo sakwehle eKampala so eKampala saya eKhartoum
Somalia
eKhartoum is Sudan suke Sudan then saya eCairo but eCairo lapho safika kusibili salisabonakala nje ama-terrorists ngoba we're not allowed to go down. So valele in Deken sasasuka there after sakwehlela eMoscow. That was life then. Now maybe also kuyabe ku right ukuthi ungaphonga uthiwa ngezi commissariat. How was commissariat? What was training nature like?
Yes, yombuza konke lalizi from September to March lalufundayo.
Sasifunda ama subjects sasasiwenza kwakuyilawa.
Yeah.
Sasenza ECPSU Communist Party of Soviet Union history.
Yeah.
Sisenza philosophy. Sisenza political economic political education. Singenise capitalist political education the communist the socialist. It was a capitalist economy.
Capitalist economy.
Yes, capitalist economy and socialist economy.
Okay.
Sasifunda khona lokho. Why sasifunda capitalist and socialist economy ngoba senzile ukuthi si understand ukuthi why are we to follow a socialist economy.
Yeah.
So kwakuqathaniswa ukuthi kwenzakala ukwazi ukuthi why icapitalism ingayisiyo ingekho good ebantwini because we for socialism.
So very I'm a full-time communist.
I'm a full-time communist, but mind you, communism by that time when defined, were not communist, were socialist.
Okay, you're socialist.
Because communism was the highest stage, say socialism. You see? So like socialism, like be fully realized, it has to have it be fully operational.
Yeah.
Ingaziyaba
Half.
kumbe ingaziyaba sephepheni. So it has to be fully operational. So sasifunda kana le ilokhuzena nale.
So you come back very sulungele ukuthi package the message to our recruits.
Yes, but then the packaging my recruit we're supposed to come home.
Yeah.
Because training esasiyenza senza lokana bayibiza bethi political mass mobilization. You see, sasingekho ku military bakhona okomsara ba trainer ku military. Thina sa trainer eComsomolo, Young Communist League, which was mainly meant for mass mobilization. Kwaso methi nxa sibuya thina lapha singene ekhaya ngoba already kwasekusiba kumbe kwasekudlama liberated zones. Siye orienta abantu ekhaya. Now sithe nxa sibuya sasesifica ukuthi kona no sokulabantu abaningi eNampundu. Sabuya futhi eFrancis buye ekhaya basibisela futhi backside eNampundu for political orientation for recruits.
Yeah.
So we're there for some time. It was April to September. Since I political orientation. Sasibaningi. It was not only us 10, sasilabanye sebesuka from other areas ababenze political education, even those who had done political education in the armed forces. Basebekhona lapho. Si orient abantu laba bebaningi. I think the number was close to 16,000.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, that was a lot. And ukuthi phonga uhlala bebodwa kwakuzabalimaza kusumele ukuthi bebe le political, mobilization and orientation.
So when are you deployed to the front?
No, I was not. I was not deployed in the front. Ngathi sengisuka ngathi ngithenga sifika lapha nasabuyele eNampundu sasuka eNampundu sembuye ekhaya khathesi. Lapho sasisibuya kulokhuzeni ku front ya. Sasisiya kwenza what was called induction.
Yeah.
As political commissars. Script kumele singene ekhaya lapha sesinikwa ama front. Now we're there for 3 weeks. AFC were attacked. The first interior bombardment Zambia yenzakala AFC, that was 19 October 1978.
Yeah.
I was badly injured.
So ku-attack kwe-FC ukhona
ngale.
Akusitshela ukuthi kwahamba njani. So the way you remember it.
I do remember, yes. I do remember that day. Into enzakalayo impi njalo. But kokwenzakalayo, you see, kwasekule 3 days ungela kudla. Ukudla kwazobuya nge-3rd day midnight. 12 o'clock izimota zingena lokudla. But thina as trained personnel well sasingela challenge engangako because we could go to Zambians.
Yeah.
Siyezuza ukudla. But for those who were not trained babele challenge ngoba phuma bethini. Ungaphuma obviously empini phela nxa vele ungaphuma ku University Selo Scout so siyathengisa.
Yeah.
Now ukudla kwayabuya ngo-12 the following morning by 8 o'clock kumele siqalise ukudla. Sasinikana ama-duties ukuthi kukhona oyizingiyazana kulento sayibiza sithi ingiyazana. Ingiyazana wawuthatha amazambezi ayethengisa i-cooking oil beyithele ephepheni.
Yeah.
Lamatamatisi. Sasithatha amatamatisi lana siwaqumaqumele i-cooking oil nasifaka eziko bese sithatha isithebo kumbe izinhlanzi beyi-beans thina sebe sesitrainile sokufake lapha egabheni bese kuhlangana sesithatha ukudla lapha sokuyingiyazana. Ngiyazana kuyabe ngadliwa ngabanye abantu kudliwa yithi kuphela esile privilege to that. That day was my duty ukuthi ngiyepheka ingiyazana.
Yeah.
Ngasuka ngahamba ngaye kitchen. But ngahamba lokho ngandinwe kakhulu. Ngahamba ngaye kitchen ngifaka imbiza eziko inteke zifika. Kulo comrade omunye wayifikile khona lapho comrade lwana wayevele ekhaya. Now evele ekhaya ngalindlela kumbe ukuthi ngiqedise lokhana oqala Nxa simfakela laphana ilokhuzini into ekuyathutsha undoda lona uthi kimi comrade khangela lapha athi lihlezi njani lapha eLusaka khangela into ekuyathutsha but ali this is Lusaka comrade ngingaqeda wona la mazwi angikwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kwasokubhonjwa comrade le ngithi wavele ekhaya into yenzakalayo nansi angisasiku-induction as political commissars kwasokumele that very same week sizabhonjwa kwasokumele sihlangane lama-commanders ayisuka from different units bese singena ku-deployment sisiya kuma-units ethu ocommissar abahamba labo ocommand abathile omani we form what i-command element coming home yikho kwasokumele kwenzakale so abanye abantu yena lo wayembuza wayengomunye wangikhona sabhonjwa khona lapho.
Emoye